Is your iPhone stuck on the Locks to Honor screen after a factory reset? Or do you buy a used phone that is asking for the previous owner's account? If so, this video is for you. Many iOS 26 users have faced this problem. Stay in this video because I'm gonna show you how to remove the activation lock safely and quickly. Method number 1. Use the original Apple ID. The first thing you should try is signing in with the Apple ID and password that were originally linked to this iPhone. Simply enter the account information of the activation lock screen. If the details are correct, the lock will be removed and you'll be able to access to the device normally. If you don't remember the password, you can go to iforget.apple.com and follow Apple's instructions to reset it and recover access to your account. Method number 2 is removing the device from Find My. An alternative option is to use a different device and go to Apple's Find Devices page. If you have access to another Apple device, go to Apple's Find Devices page and sign in with the Apple ID connected to the locked iPhone. Then, remove the iPhone from the account. If you bought the iPhone secondhand, you can contact the previous owner and ask them to remove the device remotely from their Apple account. Method number 3 is contact Apple support. You can also ask Apple for help. Go to Apple's support website and provide proof of purchase, along with information such as the serial number and IMEI of the device. After reviewing your information, Apple may be able to remove the activation lock remotely. However, this process can take a long time, so it may not be the best option if you need to access to your iPhone as soon as possible. The official method from Apple may not work for everyone. Maybe you've forgotten your Apple ID details, or perhaps you can't contact the original owner of the device. In situations like this, many users turn to a professional unlocking tool such as AnyUnlock. AnyUnlock is designed to help users deal with activation lock issues through a simple and user-friendly process, making it a convenient alternative when the official methods are not an option. Download and install it in your computer. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once the download is complete, open AnyUnlock. You will see several tools available, including Unlock Screen Passcode, Unlock Apple ID, Bypass MDN, among others. In this case, we are going to select the Bypass iCloud Activation Lock option. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Here you only need to press the skip button and the system will automatically complete the process. After the process finishes, you can set up your iPhone as a new device. It's important to know that this method should only be used on devices you legally own. Bypassing the activation lock on someone else's device, it's not allowed. And that's how you can remove the activation lock and use your iPhone normally again. You can now sign in with your Apple ID in the App Store and start downloading your favorite apps. Let me know in the comments which method works best for you. Don't forget that you will find the download link for the tool in the description below. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.